back to the channel. We kind of filmed a load of B-roll, didn't we, this morning, loading everything up, and then we got here and we have been inundated with questions.
You've been gas bagging all morning?
Yeah, talking.
That's what's happening.
Yeah, I've been looking after all the crowds while Emily's just been off gallivanting, shopping. But yeah.
Everyone knows that you were the lies teller and not me.
Yeah. But no, we're having a lot of fun, haven't we?
It is.
What you got over here?
Oh, thank you so much for coming and speaking to us. The people that have it is absolutely brilliant. But yeah, we've just got a little stall. We've got a tablecloth.
The logo.
Yeah.
People have been commenting on your bike because it's had a second outing.
It is. Seeing the light of day for the second time in its life.
Yeah.
Definitely. Lots of comments, lots of conversations. Lots of conversations about Chris's bike as well.
Yeah, he kindly brought that along, so we got Chris's 650 Triumph.
He said Cardo brought it along. We needed somebody with a van.
Yeah. We conned him. But
Yeah, we bought the BSA as well. And Jules' Barney.
We didn't quite make 500 miles for the road
Did
test.
you?
No.
I knew you wouldn't.
I got 464. It's close. I mean, technically, I'll work out what the distance is to the MOT station, because if that makes up that mileage, that counts for it. So.
That's because he was going to take it out yesterday, but then in our fashion, we ran out of time.
Yeah. And then Emily's been picking on me and beat me up.
I haven't, but you did create yourself an hour, didn't you?
Yeah, I fell over.
Fell over his own feet.
But we're having a really nice time.
That's lovely.
Lots of very nice people. I think we could show these guys some bikes, I guess.
Yes, we're going to have a little walk. To step away.
We've abandoned Chris. He doesn't really know how much he got stitched up, does he?
I've been there since 8 o'clock this morning and sat on that stand. What's my hair doing?
I'm chasing your long arm here. Look like I'm stalking you.
Let's have a look, see what we got then.
Ah, it's nice, isn't it?
Oh, it's nice, I like the colour.
We're going to bone in one of them, aren't we? Every classic bike show we come to,
I like that one.
you always find one somewhere.
It's a green one. I can't have a collection of green bikes though, can I?
It's low as well. Very cute. And you've got a basket on it.
That would be me. I have a picnic basket up the loft, just waiting. Patiently.
Do you think people on the channel want to see us? Do you want to see us build some sort of...
No.
Bantam?
Somebody wants to gift me.
Oh, has anybody got a plunger Bantam? Just sat there.
Doing nothing. Needs a loving home.
You'll take it.
I'm very emotional. I'm really sorry. Okay, hang on. She's better than before. Oh my God, she sounds so good. I'm not a very good person to interview right now. So this has been a very long ordeal, two and a half years to get her like this again. She looks absolutely beautiful. I swear she's actually grown in size since I last saw her.
Yeah?
She certainly feels 20 kilos heavier. I've just got to get used to that again
Yeah,
now.
that'd be fine then, wouldn't it?
What I will say is, I knew I was going to be really emotional because she has been my beloved friend since 2015. We've done so many adventures together. And
brilliant.
to actually have lost her was heartbreaking for me.
I can imagine.
And so to get her back is, as you can see, it's very emotional, but I am so grateful to you.
No.
You've worked so hard. I've seen
Like I say,
everything you've done.
the thing for us is any time there's a story, like what you went through, like what Freddie went through, regardless of what his persona is and stuff, just the idea that you go to these garages, it's your pride and joy, you put that kind of trust in someone, and then when it comes back and it's not what you expect, and you're using your own hard-earned money plus time, and then you lose your prized possession.
Yes.
It's awful.
It is awful. And I have to say, I commend you on the fact that you have so much experience, dedication and patience, because a lot of people say they can fix things, and they talk the talk, but they cannot do a thing. And the amount of letdowns I've had from people saying, yeah, sure, we'll pick it up, yeah, sure, we'll fix it. Each one has let me down, and each one was a little
it's a knock.
a little stab. That's what it was like. And I don't know this for everybody, but as a woman at the time, I felt enormous amount of condescending treatment of myself and my knowledge of bikes and my interest in bikes. They would take one look at me and think I could easily crush her with a few words, whatever, get rid of her.
Take the money and run.
Take the money and run. So for you not to be like that was absolutely.
I wouldn't be allowed.
No, you wouldn't be allowed. Emily wouldn't allow
But
me.
no, you're right. The engine was like quite a challenge, wasn't it? Finding one, getting
and you got it in
the right engine, and then it looked like it'd been in the sea. But to be fair, I'd say, looking at it, I had that kind of how's this going to land? But as soon as we opened it up, it was actually quite clean in there.
Is it?
Yeah. So
okay.
It definitely is now. So
it definitely is now because you've taken it to London and
so we've done. I reset the trip after the MOT, and we've done 464 miles on it this week.
Oh my God, that's really great.
Yeah.
So she's well.
We've gone 2 up. So cruise at 70. Emily was more than happy.
Sorry, it's not a very comfortable seat, is it, Emily? Not even if you're by yourself, it's really uncomfortable.
But so many hours. Emily did a hell of a lot of cleaning and
look at this engine. It's insane. It looks so amazing. And you've blackened this.
Yeah.
I can see that you've done a fantastic paint job on it as well.
I say carbs have all been rebuilt.
Yeah.
So we've gone right through those.
Yeah, talk me through some of the things you've done.
So it's got the safe start kit in it, which we spoke about from Chris. So if you get a low battery, you're not going to get that failure.
Okay.
Obviously redressing all this engine.
Yeah.
We've deleted all the air injection. Fully serviced. Then, so we went all through the carbs, top to bottom. They've all been cleaned.
Yeah.
There is some damage, I think, in the idle circuit seats from when they've been, whatever went on. So you will find, I think, on choke, it's not the happiest. Like you'll pull the choke out at start, runs happy as you like, and then it starts to drop down about 1500 RPM. It'll sit there, and then it takes a good while to warm up. But once it's warm, it's just learning that characteristic of it, I think, because of the way those carbs are. But we went looking for another set of carburetors, and you're talking best part £600 to replace them. I just thought it's running well enough to not worry about it.
So would you say, in your experience with Bonneville's, that she's pretty much back on track?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
What did you expect?
What did I expect?
Yeah.
Well, I knew I'd cry, so I knew I'd do that. I knew it was going to be mint, perfection. Okay. I could see what you were doing, and I 100% trusted you, everything that you did.
No, I appreciate that.
And you're the only person I think I could have ever said that to. So I'm eternally grateful.
say, it's just nice to put them back on the road.
Yeah.
It really is.
Did you really like it?
Yeah, it's a great ride. I say, I've commuted on it every day to work this week.
Did you?
Yeah, and then I say we went to London on Thursday and back.
Yeah. Oh, so thank you very
I'm
much.
just glad you're happy. No worries.
Thank you so much. So much.
Like I say, just let us know how you get on with it.
Yeah, I will. Yeah,
And
for sure.
you have
Yeah.
to come back for the service.
Thank you so much.
But yeah, bring it back. Emily always cooks
Yeah.
a nice dinner.
Does it?
But yeah.
Does it do wheelies?
Oh, I
Am
wouldn't
joking?
know.
No.